Let's attempt to make our own yogurt and see which is cheaper. I was unable to find unpasteurized milk, so we're going to be using store-bought because I have an aversion to prison and an attachment to my left kidney. So let's go ahead and add in 1 liter of milk, store-bought, and I'm also going to be adding in some yogurt culture that I bought at the store. So I'll start off by bringing that up to a boil at 180 degrees Fahrenheit and reserving some of that milk to add in my store-bought culture, and then stirring it and adding it into my Instant Pot. Now, unless you like chili flavored yogurt, I would recommend removing this little plastic doohickey from your Instant Pot. Then go ahead and pop it onto the yogurt setting, and this can go for 8 to 24 hours. Once that's ready, you can strain it to your heart's content. The more you strain it, the thicker it gets, and I do like kind of a Greek yogurt consistency. So that is what I'm doing here. There you have it. So it's a little bit thicker, and I think this cost me around $6 the first time around. However, it will get cheaper as I can keep reusing this starter, and that way it will probably end up costing me around $3 unless I get a cow. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those into little mini individual glass cups that I purchased. I will spare you the oh my goodness, this tastes so amazing, because it tastes like yogurt. Plain yogurt. It's sour, it's yogurty. It is not the most delicious thing in the world. However, it does taste like store-bought yogurt. So, hey, that's a win-win. If you would like to see more of these recipes, please like and subscribe. See you next time.